Hello, this is Patrick McDowell from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars in Leeds. I'm going to give you a video walk around today of our 2018 Provenance pre-owned Phantom 8. Now this vehicle is presented in the factory two-tone, silver over diamond black. Now as we go around the vehicle, we'll talk through some of the specific features that it has. Now this car has a short coach line in seashell. You can see the top half of the vehicle there is in silver. You will also see that there is a two-tone feature line. Personally, I think those two colours work very well together. Just looks very classic. Now these are the 22-inch part polished alloy wheels with body coloured wheel centres. This is the short coach line there again in silver. Now we'll head inside the vehicle and have a look at the interior. Now this vehicle primary colour is black leather. Now there are seashell contrasting elements, so you can see there a perfect example on the door itself. Now we have contrast seat piping in seashell, Rolls-Royce monogram to all headrests. Now if we head through to the front, again get a good example of the contrasting leather. Now this vehicle is fitted with a piano black veneer. You will see that the steering wheel is currently in its sanitized state. Right, thank you very much for watching.